Crypto guys. In this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Filecoin, down bad in the bear market. Filecoin is currently down more than 90% in the last 1 year. What's next for Filecoin in 2023? We've seen Filecoin dump to gobbling town in 2022. So what will Filecoin be doing in 2023? Are we going to see Filecoin setting new all-time lows? Are we going to be pumping to the moon? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Filecoin US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Filecoin's performance against Bitcoin. Filecoin has set new all-time lows against Bitcoin. We'll also be taking a look at Filecoin's performance against Ethereum, which has also set new all-time lows. Are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town against both Bitcoin and Ethereum? And then guys, we'll take a look at Filecoin's market cap. It's still hovering around that $1 billion region. Are we going to see Filecoin's market cap trade below the $1 billion region in 2023? Is the bottom in for Filecoin? We're going to be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, we saw Filecoin dump to gobbling town in 2022. Even the last month of 2022, Filecoin lost around 29.8% of its value. We saw it lose more than 90% of its value in 2022. Are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town in 2023? This is Filecoin's second crypto bear market. So let's go back in time. Let's see what Filecoin did in its first crypto bear market in 2019. What was Filecoin doing? Filecoin went to an all-time high of $29 by January 2018. That was the end of the bull run in 2018. And we spent 2018 dumping to gobbling town, just like we spent 2022 dumping to gobbling town. Now in 2018, we saw Filecoin lose around 91% of its value. And guys, guess what happened in 2022? We also saw Filecoin dump to gobbling town in 2022, from where Filecoin started 2022 around the $43 level. We saw Filecoin dumping to gobbling town, losing around 92% of its value. Now what did Filecoin do in 2019? 2019 was the year of reaccumulation. Even though we saw Filecoin rally to higher prices, even though we saw Filecoin in 2019 go up 300%, ultimately 2019 was the year to accumulate Filecoin, getting ready for the next bull run. So should we be accumulating Filecoin right now in 2023? Right now, Filecoin has dropped to a low of $2.7. That's the lowest we've seen Filecoin trade in this bear market. Still not an all-time low. For Filecoin to get to new all-time lows, we have to see Filecoin go below the $2.28 region, which is very, very possible in 2023. But ultimately, I'll be expecting Filecoin to repeat what we did in 2019, where we'll see Filecoin spending the year going sideways. Now, if we get a rally in 2023, if we see the altcoin market going to the moon, we see Filecoin rallying up to higher prices. Let's not get carried away. We're still in the bear market. For the bull market to come back, Bitcoin has to start attempting to go to new all-time highs. Bitcoin has to start pumping to the moon for us to see those kind of wonderful pumps. In the last bull run, we saw Filecoin go from $2.37 to as high as $240. Filecoin went up more than 10,000% in 384 days. That's how quickly altcoins can pump in the bull market. But before Filecoin started that pump, we saw it dumping to gobbling town from the all-time high that Filecoin said. Before that pump started, it took Filecoin around 796 days. So Filecoin will repeat what it did in the previous bear market, and we see it spending around 796 days for it to find this bottom. At some point in time in 2023, we're supposed to see Filecoin find this bottom, and we're supposed to see a pump to the upside. Now, if Filecoin is going to pump to the upside in 2023, key levels should pay attention to where Filecoin might get rejected. I believe when we get to the $11 region, we might face some heavy resistance. From where Filecoin has bottom in this bear market right now, Filecoin will have to rally up around 300%, just like we did in the previous bear market. Will history repeat itself, or is this time different? Deep in the bear market is where a lot of people are scared to buy altcoins. Deep in the bear market is also where smart investors are buying, getting ready for the next bull run. There's no guarantees that the bottom is in for Filecoin. We might still see this altcoin dumping to gobbling town. But guys, if you're getting ready for the next bull run, you have to be comfortable with the idea that you can never ever predict the bottom. You just want to dollar cost average through the bear market. In the previous bear market, if you're dollar cost averaging into some Filecoin from September 2018 when it was trading around the $4.2 region, you had to see your investment go down to the $2.4 region, come back to the $4.5 region, and that was what happened in the bear market. We saw Filecoin going up and coming down, but ultimately there was a period of reaccumulation, and that period of reaccumulation happens for more than a year. So I expect 2023 to be our year of accumulation, so let's not be shocked to see Filecoin going sideways for majority of the year. If you take a look at some details about Filecoin right now, in the last 1 year, this altcoin went from $38.31 to as low as $2.68. With a market cap of over $1.1 billion, Filecoin has over 359 million coins in circulation. Currently ranked 34 on CoinMarketCap, over 364,000 people have Filecoin on their watch list. Why would you want to get some Filecoin in the bear market? Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. The project was first described back in 2014 as incentive layer for interplanetary file system, a peer-to-peer storage system where users pay for data storage and distribution services in FIL. Where can you buy some Filecoin if you want to get some in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? If you believe in accumulation of all coins in the bear market and selling them when the market goes back to an optimistic phase, when we see green candles in the market, when we see Filecoin setting new all-time highs. If you want to buy some Filecoin because you believe we're going to see new all-time highs in the future, you want to get some Filecoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoin, you can get some Filecoin right there. Now, take a look at Filecoin's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market. We've seen Filecoin setting new all-time lows, going even lower than the level where we got to in the previous bear market. I believe we'll see Filecoin moving sideways against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Filecoin has been dumping to Goblin Town for majority of 2022. So are we going to see some recovery for Filecoin in 2023? Guys, the bear market is very, very brutal for altcoins. And from past experience, we've also seen altcoins dump really well against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market. We've gone through the first phase of the bear market, the very, very hard phase, the phase where we see the markdown, phase where we see altcoins dumping to Goblin Town. That was what happened in 2022. Right now, we're going to go to the boring phase where Filecoin will be moving sideways. So we might see it dumping to Goblin Town more against Bitcoin. If you catch a rally to the upside, you don't want to be among those people flipping your Bitcoin or Ethereum for some Filecoin. You want to do that slowly through the bear market. Yes, we want to get quick gains in the market, but the best way to get those quick gains is by building them slowly. If you take a look at what Filecoin did in 2019 against Bitcoin, we saw it moving sideways for majority of the year. So I'll not be shocked to see Filecoin repeat what it did against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We've gone through the hard part. We're closer to the bottom right now than we are to the top. You just have to straight through the boring phase. Guys, if you want to make money long term, you have to be willing to enjoy the pumps when the bull run comes around. But when the dump comes around, you have to start thinking of what you do when the next pump come around. There will always be another pump in the market. We're always going to go to the moon in the future. But it all depends on whether you're accumulating when we're down to Goblin Town. If we see Filecoin rallying up in 2023, we shouldn't get carried away. Yes, we're going to see some rallies just the same way we're going to see some dumps in the bull market. When we were pumping to the moon, we had some dumps along the way, but ultimately we were heading to the upside. Just the same way in the bear market, we're dumping to Goblin Town, and as we're going through reaccumulation, as we see Filecoin perambulating, pumping and dumping, we should always set our eyes on the price. If you take a look at Filecoin's market cap, currently above $1 billion, we saw Filecoin's market cap briefly drop below $1 billion, getting to as low as the $920 million region. But if you take a look at what Filecoin's market cap has done in the past, that has proven to be a very strong support level. Filecoin's market cap found support in 1st of January 2021 around the $900 million region. So maybe, just maybe, that will be a very strong support that will see Filecoin pumping to higher prices. But if we keep dumping to Goblin Town in 2023, let's not be shocked to see Filecoin's market cap even drop below $1 billion, maybe heading to that $500 million region. From where Filecoin's market cap is right now, that will see an additional dump, maybe a 53 to a 60% dump in Filecoin, which is very, very possible, which can happen very, very quickly. The bear market is very, very long. The bear market is very, very boring. We're entering the phase of the market where we might see the market going sideways. A lot of people in the market are expecting us to either pump up or dump down to gobbling town. But what will happen if we see the market going sideways for like 6 or 7 months? A lot of people will get bored and leave the market. You don't want to be among those people. You want to be among people that will grind it till the end. Guys, we're going to see a pump in the market at some point in time in the future, but we have to endure through the phases of the bear market. Right now, it's not looking good for altcoins. Right now, everything is looking gloomy. We see a lot of altcoins down, losing more than 90% of their value, but I believe they're going to recover and pump to new all-time highs, and that's why we like altcoins. They can dump to gobbling town, but they can also pump to the moon. If we see Filecoin's market cap rallying up to the high side, we might get to that $2.5 billion region, and we might get rejected off that level. But ultimately, I will not be shocked to see Filecoin moving sideways for majority of 2023. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think the bottom is in for Filecoin in the bear market? If the bottom is not in, how low can we go in this bear market? Are you buying more right now, or are you waiting for that final dump to the downside before you begin your accumulation? If you have some Filecoin, are you going to be buying more, or is your bags packed up ready for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.